Hello!
For this session, we will be the physiotherapist.
Hi!
For this session, we will be the patients.
Hello, come in.
Hello!
Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Good. So, what's your name?
My name is Laura Dautria.
Yes. How old are you?
I'm 72.
What happened to you?
I got a right hip prosthesis because I fell in the stairs and I broke my femoral neck.
Okay. When did the operation took place?
There are 6 weeks ago.
When the fall came from?
1 week before the surgery. I'm coming to your physical therapy firm only today because I couldn't drive before 6 weeks according to the surgeon.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in an apartment not far from here.
Are there some stairs in your apartment?
Well, yes, I live on the first floor and there isn't any elevator.
Okay. Do you live alone? Are you married? Or have you got any children?
Yes, actually, I'm widow, but my daughter and my son live quite close from my home.
Yes.
They help me a lot at home since the beginning of my recovery time. However, my grandson will be born soon, so they will have less time to devote to me.
Okay. That's great. And what are your hobbies? In which activities do you like to spend your time?
I really like gardening. I maintain my vegetable garden and I really take care of my grasses. I'm very sad because since my fall I can't garden anymore. And I also like to go to the seniors club, we play cards, we play lotto, I gossip with my friends. But most of all, the dancing tea is my favorite activity. It takes place every Sunday. I'm so disappointed because I'm not able to dance anymore. So I really hope that in a few months I will be dancing again.
Okay, good. You are very busy. And what was your profession before?
I was a school teacher my whole life and I really love my job.
Okay, I understand that. Do you like children? Have you got some other antecedents, like surgery or disease?
Well, yes, I have high blood pressure and arthrosis in the knees and the finger, but I suppose that it's normal for my age.
It's pretty common, yes. Do you take some medication for those problems?
Yes, here is my prescription to regulate my blood pressure.
Oh, yes.
The treatment tires me sometimes. I also take antalgic for the arthrosis when it hurts too much.
Yes. Good. I think that I've collected all the information I need. We can start the initial assessment.
Okay, now we are going to sit on the table. I will help you. Okay. Are you okay?
Yes. I check your scar condition. I can see that you wear stocking support, and I will put it off. Well, I see that there are many adherences at the cranial part. We will work on it on the future seances. I'm gonna measure the edema. Okay, I'm gonna measure at 20 and 30 centimeters. and after we will compare to the Ilse side. Okay. And at 30. Okay. Okay, now we are going to estimate the pain. At the moment, do you feel pain?
Yes, but it's bearable.
Can you describe your pain? Where is it?
On my right hip and the lower part of my back.
And how is that pain? Does it burn? Does it tingle? Is it a deep pain or acute? Try to use adjective to say that.
It's a deep pain and I feel like muscular tensions in my hip. It appears when I walk a long time or the morning when I wake up. And the pain in my back is always present. It's like a mechanic pain, it's an acute pain, and sometimes it's a deep pain. It depends of the movement I'm doing.
Okay, great. On a rate scale of 0 to 10, how much do you feel this pain? And 0 is no pain, and 10 is the unbearable pain.
I think 5 for the hip when I'm active and 0 at rest.
Okay.
And for the back, it can vary between 2 and 7, I think.
Okay. Thank you for your answers.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to measure your hip range of motion, and we will compare with the Ilse side after. I will start with the flexion, hip flexion. (90 degrees). Now we will test your muscular strength. First we will test the quadriceps. So push against me. Push, 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 push. Okay. Now hold the position. Hold, hold, hold. Okay. And now follow the movement. Okay. And repeat the movement. Okay. Okay, I saw that you came with a cane. How do you move in everyday life?
I take the cane since the surgery to walk outside, and inside I don't need it.
Okay, have you got some home helpers?
Yes, I have only a housekeeper who comes twice a week, and my children are also coming to see me very often.
Okay, so let's get started with a test which is called the time up and go test. You still sit on this chair, and when I say top, you're going to stand up and walk until the plastic gone. Make a half turn, and you return to sit down. Try to do it faster than you can. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Stop!
Okay. Now we will realize another test, the TNT to measure your balance and your quality to walk.
So, in view of the assessment, our goals will be the following: reduce pain, reduce adhesion of the scale and edema of the leg by mobilization and massage, recover the physiological range of motion of the limb by mobilization, and recover muscular strength. In long term, it must be interesting to improve the physiological gait pattern. We can also improve the balance and work on the fall surveys and the aims is to avoid two falls. We are going to start this session with an exercise that improves your capacity to go upstairs. So can you stand up and climb up the step with the right leg and back down with the left leg. Okay? On the right leg, yes, and the left leg. Perfect, very good. And repeat the movement 10 times. Now you are going to do a very important exercise for your security. You are going to try to do a fall survey. So you are lying on the back, and I will learn you how to stand up safely. Okay. So first, flex your right leg. Okay. Roll over on your stomach. Okay. Flex your right limb in the side, okay, and push your arms to get on all fours. Yes, perfect. And catch the chair in front of you. Push again. Push again, okay. Put your right foot just here, okay, and now push on your leg and stand up. Yes, perfect.
And we can walk without cane.